I don't know how I hit it, but it hit.
Yeah, you definitely hit it.
You hit legs.
Things are about to get fun. As if they weren't already.
Warm hand. What?
Oh, whoa.
Lot of fun.
Whoa, is that a spinal cord?
Yeah.
Line up.
Oh,
Decent one.
you're rolling then. Oh.
Pretty brutally windy, so I hope there's some audio worth something here. It is February something, late teens. Doing our first push right here. Haven't hunted here for a couple of years. Day of rabbit hunting ahead of us right now. It is cold and it's windy, but we're gonna try to get some rabbits.
Oh, I think we just kicked one up here. I think I just saw one up there. It jumped about 30 yards up. All right, Vince, you ready here? I'm gonna kick this for you. Here he is.
Yep.
Missed him.
All right, he's still there.
I think he stopped. So we might have sprayed him.
I think Mike.
Alex, you got that upper side?
Yeah. I saw him for a second, but I think I may have wounded him. Gosh dang it.
Got this edge running down on this silver maple edge. About to get way thicker up in here. This is where that rabbit just ran to that Alex just shot at again. You should be good there, Luke, if you just stay in line to where Ben and...
saying I didn't want to fall.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Oh, this is thick.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see any of the files. Good?
Should we come back?
Yeah, turn around.
We're coming in up here, Ben.
Up there?
I'm on the trail.
No, we're up on the trail coming down. You got one?
He's in here.
See it run into here?
Yeah. I just heard him in here.
In this stuff?
Yeah.
Jack and Luke come this way. Right down now.
Yeah. All right, Luke, let's get back to kicking. Yeah, Luke, hang a little bit more towards Al and that stuff. We'll come up here and kick it with you. There he goes, Vince!
Hit him?
I think I got it.
There's.
Yeah, Bubby!
Ah, there it is!
There you go. Heck yeah.
Did we double up?
Yeah, finished him.
I got one on it.
Boom, boom, boom! Let's go, Vince. Yeah, buddy. That's a good rabbit, buddy. That's him. That's the one.
Bed hit him now.
Hey, that was textbook, though.
I jumped him from like pretty much on the property line down there, and he ran back
Yeah, I think it was actually Luke. Luke, I think it was you who kicked him up. It was you and I in that brush. We kicked it up.
It was perfect.
Oh, Vince is cracking.
Yeah, that was like. This is why I handed Vince 15 shells this morning. He goes, "You think I need all those?"
Just got successful rabbit number 1. Kind of backdoored us and then ended up being able to loop back and have a successful little push on that. Alex shot at a different rabbit up here that we had bumped first along this upper fence row. But we're just gonna continue running the same line that we were running through this big ash clear cut and run it out to the property edge. This is essentially a 4-year-old clear cut. We cut a bunch of dying ash trees out. So it's just coming up in a bunch of blackberry, really gnarly thick stuff. Prime habitat. We're gonna run this into what turns into more wooded stuff, but there's still a lot of rows understory and stuff like that. Feeling pretty good. We've already seen 2 rabbits right off the yard. Continue the line.
Get ready right out in front of you there, Luke.
Yeah. Alex is right here.
My hat. Oh! No.
Did you not get it?
He was straight. Going back, don't shoot.
Dude, where did that thing come from?
It bounced right out of
Did
here.
it bounce from there? Okay.
Well,
I
right
literally
next
looked down
to
and
me.
it was like straight up 4 feet from
Coming
me.
at you behind you, ran, and
Yeah.
as soon as it saw you, it jumped right back to me, and I said, well, nobody's in my way.
Yeah. He might just be holding tight right there. We just bumped up the 3rd rabbit. Almost ran me and Jack over. We were in a kind of a neutral position behind the gunners and it was running at us, and then when Vince was safely able to turn, he got a couple shots off at it as it was running back through this stuff. We're just gonna leave it for now. We gotta circle back here to grab that other rabbit anyways and just keep doing our original plan. Maybe come back and push it later.
All right, I got some good brush piles up ahead of me. Some real good thick stuff, so. We're just working a grid through this front woods and kicked up a good number so far, much better than recent years.
There's probably, I say there's a good chance there's something in here.
Lots of shooting ability in here too.
Yeah.
All right, we ready? Let's move. Oh man, so excited. I'm hunting rabbits. Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah. You rolling?
Wasted. Let's go.
You got him?
Oh, he's toast.
You rolling?
He's toast.
Ah, buddy, good shot.
That on it.
I wonder.
That one?
Got it?
Yep. Right here, right here, right here!
Get it!
Did you shoot, Luke? Yeah. Yeah, I think you got it, dude. I feel like I saw it roll. Luke definitely hit it.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Yeah.
We just double up? Oh, let's go.
Nice.
Luke hit it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah! All right.
At least that's what Keith said.
We got a new hunter with us. He just got his license and his hunter safety certificate this year, and it sounds like he just shot his first ever rabbit. Dude, that's first shot.
I don't know how I hit it, but it hit. It looks beautiful. Yeah, you definitely hit it.
You hit legs. We had just reset our line after we had that one backdoor us, and as soon as we started pushing, they dumped one down here, and then as they were moving around and picking it up, another one busted off the top of this big grapevine thicket, ran up. Luke rolled it and Alex finished it essentially. Luke just rolled one, dude.
Team Rabbit. Mike just decimated it.
I probably shot it at like 12 yards.
Yeah, and I mean, who got that one?
It's very personal, yeah. It's, yeah.
Good job, boys.
Where's the other one?
You got the shoot? Oh, nice.
Let's go. Hey, Luke, cheers to your first rabbit, buddy.
Thank
Let's
you.
go.
Yeah, man.
Don't give me all the credit. Alex did a good shot.
Doesn't matter, dude.
Well, we just wrapped up the actual rabbit hunt. We ended up with 4. Feel pretty good about that. I think we missed a couple opportunities on 2 or 3 rabbits, but we saw a decent amount. We didn't hunt for too long. It was pretty windy and pretty cold today, and Luke and Jack both had really never been in any hunting scenario. Rabbit hunting's a pretty awesome first hunt for anyone to do. I think it's active and it's usually pretty successful, but you still gotta kind of work for what you're doing. And we ended up getting some meat out of it too, so we're gonna run back into here into old Papa R's new building, clean these rabbits up, and probably throw them in pressure cooker tonight, have some rabbit stew. After we cook some stuff, I think we're gonna go inside. We talked about doing some type of little podcast talking about how the hunt went and maybe some experiences, some first experiences from Luke and Jack and what they expected, and who knows where that'll go, but you can probably find that below. That'll probably be produced before this rabbit video ends up coming out, so. Oh, goodness. Well, we're gonna run into the building here and Luke's gonna get his hands on one of these rabbits, clean them up, and we'll get them inside.
That was gonna be the best meat. Yeah, look at his back legs.
Oh, you're really grabbing that thing. It's much stronger than I thought.
I feel like this was easier last time I did this.
That's gonna be the hardest one because it's the coldest.
And it was mangled.
Oh, so much damage.
Lungs, a heart, and a trachea. At the very top, you're looking for a trachea.
Yeah, I think that's clear.
Number 5 shot shells, and your number 6 shot shells that you were using are just shy of 300 pellets per shell.
There you go.
Some time has passed. Rabbit is cooking up, the veggies are cooking up.
Pretty well.
The shot maintains its shape pretty well, I guess.
Vaguely a sphere.
Yeah. Maybe with a little touch of lead. The rabbit's cooking up, the veggies are cooking up. Everyone's sitting at the podcast table, getting everything set up. Luke should come out and taste test his rabbit out here. Probably what's going on.
I feel like
There's no I don't know.
Al's putting a lot of effort into it though. I don't want to try it yet. I feel bad.
Yeah, you do.
Have you even tried a piece yet?
Yeah, munch some out.
Fire. Fire. Alright, yeah, I'll try it.
Dude, when you get it in with the taters and carrots and stuff,
Give me warm.
That's good, dude.
Yeah, dude. It was real good.
My rabbit's somewhere in there.
That's right.
I don't even know what a BB what I would be looking for.
Wait a second.
Luke, what do you think about this first harvest of your life?
My first harvest.
You want to know what they look like?
I'm ready, man. I'm losing sight that I actually killed an animal, and I'm just only thinking about food right now. Yeah, I'm losing my words. I got carrots, potatoes, bay leaves, stock,